In this lesson, we'll make sure that the muscle systems we've connected to the legs will scale with our global node. Now we've done this process already for the spine. We just need to update our scale expressions. So we'll do that for the legs. Keep in mind, we'll eventually have to do that for the neck. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and take care of that after we have finished the legs, or you can wait till later when we start to set up our controls for the upper body. But either way, let's go ahead and get started on the legs. I'll go ahead and select Shin L Muscle A, and we can start there. And I'll just go ahead and set up 1, because remember, the steps are the same for the other 11. Let's go ahead and get to it. We'll go to our motion panel. Underneath Assign Controller, we'll go ahead and search for our Scale X controller, right-click and choose Properties. We'll make our variable. That'll be named char_scale. We'll create it. We'll then go ahead and assign the z-axis of our global node. So that's going to be the scale z. There it is. Once we've done that, it's just a matter of updating our expression. So let's go ahead and add the variable in. That's going to be char_scale. And then we'll add the multiplication operator and choose Evaluate. Sweet. Let's go ahead and move to the y-axis. We'll right-click and choose Properties. We'll create our variable. That's going to be char_scale. Let's create it, assign our controller. There it is, the scale z. And then we'll go ahead and add it to our expression. And then evaluate. Cool. Alright, so as we start to resize the character, at least that helper is going to scale properly. But the others, you can see, they'll still squash and stretch. So we need to make sure that that will not happen. Alrighty, well, I'll leave the others up to you. And in the following lesson, we're ready to add muscle systems to the forearms. And then we'll move to the shoulders. We'll get all of those connected. We'll make sure to set up our twist expressions. And then following that, we'll be soon ready to skin our character. I'd like to also go ahead and show you a few other ways we can set up volume preservation systems. So we'll go ahead and do that for the character's buttocks. But keep in mind, we're just about ready to skin the character and work on the final step afterwards, which will be, of course, to set up our controls. So we're making great progress.